As working professionals, we often work in the role of either executives or managers within our organization. We are often promoted from executive to manager or from manager to chief executive officer in our organizations. But do you really have that understanding in real sense of what is the difference between a executive and a manager? What is that thin line between what an executive does and what a manager does? Of course, the job of executive and a manager always overlaps. There are many similarities between an executive and a manager, but there are also a lot of differences as well, and that is why those are two different names. I was talking to my father recently, and he mentioned a very interesting thing that he learned from some podcast on YouTube, that अगर दो वर्ड्स का सेम मीनिंग ही होता तो वो दो वर्ड अलग अलग बनाने की ज़रूरत ही क्या थी. So every different word has a different meaning despite of many similarities, and that is why we use this word synonym, because it's similar but it is not the same. And similarly, executive and manager have similar work roles but are not same. They have their own differences. They have their own patterns of working. And so today let's understand what is the difference between a executive and a manager. सो हम एग्जीक्यूटिव्स की बात करें तो सबसे टॉप मैनेजमेंट में जो एग्जीक्यूटिव होते हैं जिनको हम बोलते हैं चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर, और उसके बाद काफ़ी सारे हायरार्की में एग्जीक्यूटिव्स होते हैं जो काम करते हैं. नाउ एज द टर्म सजेस्ट, एग्जीक्यूटिव इज nothing but people who executes things, who are good at execution, who are good at taking actions. Now executives are the one who actually defines policies and procedures around a smooth functioning of operations of different departments within the organization, because they are good at executing things and they can easily understand the gaps while executing things, while implementing things. And that is why the top management, the CEO, is the one who defines the policies and procedures around smooth functioning of different departments and team members in the organization. And now, what is a manager? Who is a manager? What does management do? So the role of managers, the role of management is something that to ensure that all these policies and procedures that has been created for the smooth operation and functioning has to look of the management part of those things that are to be executed. A manager is someone that who manages the people as well as the resources. And a manager is not necessarily is someone that who executes all of those things and does the micromanagement all the time. But the manager is the one who ensures that the people, the resources, all of those coordination is managed in a well-mannered way. So for all the HR people, next time when you evaluate performances of your executives and employees, make sure that you do not just stick the performance on the basis of the tasks given to them. Ensure that always look to the aspects that if that person is a manager, how successfully that person has managed their team members, their resources, overall operations of the project. Was he an executor or a manager? Because if you are rating someone on the basis of they have executed certain things in a well-mannered way but they are working in a position of manager, then that means they are good executors but not managers, and vice versa. So understand this minute difference between executive and manager and define your tasks, your role and your work, your position within your company, keeping in mind your actual job, which is either is it to be executing things or managing things.